Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today, it's gonna be a start of a new series. We're actually already back from the trip. I never really filmed an intro or anything when I got there. I just kind of did fishing and stuff like that, and so we're back from the trip now. But we'll just roll back from the beginning, and then we'll start the clip. So there's definitely gonna be a couple videos with this trip. 'Cause there's a lot of fish catches, so. There might be three, maybe even four parts, maybe. But all in all, it's gonna be a good time, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's just get right into today's video. Yeah, let's start with day one. Okay. Oh, there's a fish. There we go. There's one. Wow, first cast. Look at that. Not very big, but still a fish. Hang on. Hang on, buddy. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. There we go. First fish of the trip right there. Not very big, but still it's fish. There he goes. All right. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, that's a fish. There we go. There's one. There we go. Oh. Oh, I just lost him. There's one. There we go. There we go. First one of the excursion here in the kayak. Got one, Dad. There we go. First fish out of the kayak. Fat little guy. Just a little guy, but it's a way to start. Oh. Wow. Okay. Well, let's get back out there. Maybe they're sunfish. Oh man. There we go. There we go. There's the second one of the trip. Or of the excursion. Oh, calm down. There we go. Not a bad one. I'll take it. Alright, let's get him back. Alright. There we go. No. There we go. Alright. Okay, well, I'm up in this person's dock here, but just got a little one on the Kraken Craw Googan baits. There we go. Just a little guy, but still fun to catch. Alright, let's get him back. Alright, let's get another one. There's a fish. There we go. I got him. I got him. There we go. Oh, it's a nice bass. Okay. Come on, buddy. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop. 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 Oh, I got him. Oh, boy. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Stop. Got him. Hang on, let me clean him off real quick. Alright. There he is. That's not a bad fish. Oh man, he did not give up even once I got him to shore. It's not a bad one right there. I'll take him. Long, he's skinny. It's a nice one. On the Googan Baits Crack and Craw. Alright, let's get him back. There she goes. That's a nice fish. Alright, let's try to get another one here. There's another one. There we go. I got him. I got him. There you go. This isn't a bad one either. Alright. Alright, buddy. Hang on. I'm coming to get you. There we go. It's not too bad. I'll take him. This one's been caught before. There you go. Just a little guy. But still a fish, so get him back. There we go. Let's get another one. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, it's a nice bass. Come on, buddy. Get up here. Yes. On the frog. Look at that. Let's go. Wow. That thing barely even hit it. It's just like a little peck. Look at that fish. That is a nice one. Wow. I wasn't even watching my frog and that one hit it. That's a nice one. Oh, that's nice. That's awesome. All right. Let's get him back in the water then. Man, it's the first frog fish of the trip, I think. I've missed like so many. And now I hooked into this one, so. All right, let's get him back. And he's back. Oh, that's awesome. All right, well, let's see if I can't get another one. And that will wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the part 1 to the camping excursion. Like I said, there's gonna be a few more parts coming out, so just keep your eyes open for when I post a new video, and then we'll just keep chugging along with these new videos, and it'll be a good time. So, but I want to thank you guys for watching today's video, and if you liked it and you're not subscribed already, just click right up here to subscribe to me. That way you'll be notified whenever I post a video, and then make sure to just hit the notification bell so that actually happens. And if you liked what you see today and you haven't seen one of my other videos, just click right over here and you can watch that video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next video.